Royal siblings looking after each other at King Charles' coronation. Here we see the children of Prince and Princess of Wales, Princess Charlotte and Prince Louis holding hands. How adorable is that? There's another cute one of Prince Louis saying something to his sister Charlotte, and she is listening attentively. What a great big sis she is. Next we see a sweet moment between siblings Lady Louise and her brother James, Earl of Wessex. Prince Edward and Sophie, Duchess of Edinburgh's children, having a little chat, and it seems that Lady Louise is telling her brother that he's got something on his face, and she's directing him which part of his face he should remove the speck of dust from, or whatever she's seen on his face. How sweet. That's her looking out for her brother. In both cases, I really like how the siblings are looking out for each other. Let's hope their relationships continue closeness in future, just as Princess Royal and King Charles have always been close. I pray that all the royal siblings will stay close together. I hope you liked this video as much as I did, and we've come to the end, so I'd like to see you on the next one, and thank you very much for watching this. See you again. Bye! Royal siblings looking after each other at King Charles' coronation.